Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Now in this tutorial we are just going to be creating a web page and I'm going to call it test animation. Alright, and what I want is that we are going to be having a test and we are going to be giving that test an effect. And let's proceed. And you can use this on your portfolio. Yeah, I'm going to be creating my file and let's say index.html. You can say test animation as the title, and let's run this. Okay, so you can see it here, test animation. Alright, here I'm going to be placing it in the center, or we can just let me place it in the center. Alright, so h1 with a class name of title. Then inside this I'm going to be having this right up here, a, then here span. Alright, so we are done for the HTML. We are done for the HTML part, the HTML section. We are done for it. You can just see the right up here, a, then this what empty span. Right, so now we are going to come to this place here and we are going to be giving it a style. And let's say first of all the title, let's say the color should be pink. Alright, so you can see the color here pink. Alright, we can give the body a background color, black. Okay, so you'll be able to see the pink color wall. We can say the font family, can use Poppins. Okay, then after this you're going to be saying dot title, then span. Alright, meaning this span that is what inside this what class here. Alright, that is what this means. You can give your span a class name and you can also use the class name to identify it here. Alright, then I will just be saying the color should be yellow. Alright, so if we have any text here, like I'm a web dev, the color is going to be what? Yellow. You can see it there. Alright, but we are going to be using CSS to what? Add our text. Then here I'll be saying dot title, then span. Then I will be doing this after. Then here we are going to be using this CSS property to change or to add the content. Alright, so you can now see it here. You can see we've added the web developer using CSS. Alright, then we are going to add an animation effect. So animation, then the animation name should be, we can say width. Alright, then 5 seconds, then infinite. Alright, then here we'll be using the at keyframes. So remember the animation name is width. Alright, so what do we want? When it's 50%, we are going to change the content to something else. And here, let's say the content to, let's say we want to change the content to creative designer. So you can see I'm a web developer, then you can see creative what designer. Alright, we can reduce this time to 2 seconds. Okay, so you can see the effect here. Alright, we can still add another effect when it's 100%. So we can say the content. Then we want to add, we can say tech experts. Alright, Alright, so you'll be seeing I'm a web developer, creative designer, tech expert. Alright, then we can come here to change the timing to 5 seconds back. So it's going to take more time. Alright, so you can see it. We are done. We are done. You can just see the code. Let me maximize so you see it. Alright, a very simple and quick one. So you can see it here. Alright, we can still add different colors if we feel like. Then when it's 50%, when it shows that text, we want to give it a different color. We can say light green. Alright, so you just take a good look and see light green. Alright, here we can also change the color. You can say this should be light coral. Right, so you can see the color light coral. So you can add different styles, you can change your opacity, you can do different things when it's what 50% or when it's what 100%. You can do for 10, 20, 30, 40, and just like that, those percentage you can use 10, 20, 30, 40 and all that. Alright, so this is just it. Let's maximize one more time so that you see. Alright, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.